Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I'm gonna do another budget meal prep. So I've been having so much fun doing these budget meal prepping the last few weeks. So I thought I'd just keep this going and having some fun with it. So I'm gonna have all of this, my breakfast, lunch, and snacks for the day is gonna be around $17 for the whole week. So I'm gonna have 4 breakfasts, 4 snacks, and 4 lunches, all at $17. So I'm really trying to do some meal prep budgeting with everything getting so expensive. It's just a really great way to save some extra money at the grocery store. And a really great way to not have a lot of food waste is to meal prep. So I really love not wasting food and not wasting money. So this has been really fun. So for this meal prep this week, I'm going to have for breakfast, I'm gonna have chia seeds. These are really great. They're high in fiber, delicious, low in carb, of course. All of my meals are typically keto or low carb. So I have almond milk that's gonna be with the chia seeds. I have frozen blueberries, and then I use a little bit of sugar-free syrup with these chia seeds. I'm gonna make them in my mason jar, and then I'll store them in the refrigerator, and they just expand overnight and they get nice and thick. So it's really good, super filling. For snack, I'm gonna have some carrots and ranch dip, my favorite. I have hard-boiled eggs that I've already made. I have little oranges, so that'll be the snack. And then for lunch, I'm going to make a turkey patty, and I'm gonna make it with almond flour. And then I have this onion soup starter mix that I love. I love using it in meatloafs, hamburgers, anything like that. It gives it so much flavor. There's gonna be an egg, some Parmesan cheese, and then for the sides, I'm gonna do zucchini and cauliflower rice. I love this frozen riced cauliflower. You just cook in the microwave for 3 minutes. It's ready to go. It's really easy, super delicious, and it's very inexpensive. It's like $1.72 for this whole bag. So I will list in the description all of the ingredients that I use, and I'll put the prices with them so you can see the cost of each meal. Like I said, all of this together is about $17. So I will get everything cooking ready for the week. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've been doing lots of these meal prep videos and I've been loving it. So subscribe, click the bell button so that you get a notification when I do post a new video. And I'll get all this going and ready for the week.
The first thing I'm gonna make is the turkey patty. So I have my 1 pound of ground turkey. You can use ground beef if you like. I've been using a lot of ground turkey lately. It's really cheap right now. So I'm going to add in a packet of onion soup mix. I love this packet. It's so flavorful, great for meatloafs and hamburgers. So now I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of almond flour. I'm going to add in after that, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I am going to use 1 egg for this recipe, and I am gonna mix everything together with my hands to get it mixed all the way through. All right, so now that the mixture is all mixed all the way through, I am going to form the patties. So I'm gonna take about 1/4 of the ground turkey, and I'm going to roll it into a ball, and then I'm going to flatten it to make my patty. So these are gonna be a little bit big. You can make about 5 if you'd like to of these patties, but I'm gonna do 4 for this recipe. They're gonna be nice and big. It'll be a great filling lunch. So I'm gonna form these all, and then they'll be ready to cook on my stove. You could barbecue these if you like, but I'm just gonna cook them on my pan on the stove. They cook really great in this non-stick skillet. So I'm gonna add them in, and then I like to add a little bit of water. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of water This will help steam the patties and they'll cook really well. I'm gonna flip them over after they're halfway done, and then I'm gonna give it a little smush down to flatten it out a little bit more. So these are really great and so easy to make on the stove. So now that my hamburger patties are done, they're gonna cool before I portion them into my meal prep containers. But now I'm going to make the zucchini. So I have my olive oil heating in my pan, and then I'm going to add in my chopped zucchini, and this is gonna take about 5 to 6 minutes to cook. Zucchini is really quick. So I'm gonna keep stirring it while it's cooking so it cooks on all sides. But it will be done very shortly and ready to go. So now I'm gonna make my chia seed pudding. So I have unsweetened almond milk. This is really great. I'm gonna use about a cup. So I'll pour it directly into my mason jar. I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. So you can use as many as you'd like, depending on how thick you want your chia seed pudding to be. But I'm gonna use 3 because these will expand and they're very filling. So I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons per cup of almond milk. And so now I'm gonna use about a tablespoon of sugar-free syrup, and I'm just gonna pour that right in with my other ingredients. And I'm using frozen blueberries this week. You can use any kind of fruit you like for these chia seed puddings. Everything tastes really good with it. So I'm gonna use frozen blueberries. I'm gonna give it a stir to mix everything together. And then once they're all stirred up, I'm going to add on the lids to the mason jars, and they will be ready to store in the refrigerator, and they'll be ready to go for breakfast for each day this week. All right, so lastly, we have our snacks. I'm gonna use my favorite snack containers from Amazon. These are so great. So I'm gonna portion my snacks into each compartment. I have my hard-boiled egg. I have a little orange. These are so delicious. I'm gonna have about a handful of baby carrots. So I'll put those in each container for each day. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of ranch dressing as well, and these snacks are ready to go.
All right, so everything for lunch is ready to go. So I'm gonna prep it into my meal prep containers so that lunch is ready for each day this week. So I'll just have this in the refrigerator, put it in the microwave before lunch to heat it up, and it's all ready. Super healthy turkey burger, zucchini, and cauliflower rice. So I'll put it in each container. All right, so everything is prepped, ready to go for the week. Around $17 for breakfast, snack, and lunch. So really inexpensive meal prep this week to save some money at the grocery store. So the chia seed pudding, really delicious, super filling. I have my snacks. These snack containers, like I said, I will link them. I got them on Amazon along with my other prep containers, but these are really great quality. Love the bright colors of the lids, dishwasher safe. So these are really great. I will link these if you want to try them out. There'll be a link in the description box. So have my snacks and my lunch, super healthy turkey burger, zucchini, and cauliflower rice. So this is all ready to go for the week, and I'll have everything in the description box, all the recipe, and like I said earlier, I will list out all of the ingredients that I used with the prices so that you can see that this is a budget meal prep. So I hope that you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out my other budget meal prepping that I've been doing the last few weeks, and I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.